Sam wanted to practice running for the inter-school competition. Now there was a triangular park in his locality. So he decided he will run on this track and practice. But he needed to know how much distance is he running when he completes one round of this track. Well, if he starts from here and he completes one full round and ends here, then how much distance is he running? How can we calculate that? Well, for that he needs to calculate the perimeter of this particular park. Now this park is a triangular park. So basically we are talking about perimeter of this triangle. So if he adds up the distance of all these sides, then that will be the total distance which he will be running to complete one round, isn't it? Now we know that perimeter is the length of a path or edge that surrounds a shape. In this case it's a triangle, and in this triangle each side is 25 meters long. So what will be the perimeter? Well, it will be the sum of all the sides. So in this case it will be 25 meters plus 25 meters plus 25 meters, which is 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 25, 75. So it will be 75 meters. So what is the perimeter of this triangle? It's 75 meters. So what did we do? Well, we added all the three sides. So if we consider this side as A, this as B, and this as C, then the perimeter is A plus B plus C. So this is the perimeter of a triangle. So the formula for perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C, where A, B and C are sides of the triangle. So now we have this triangle here. The given triangle has a base of 25 meters while the other two sides are 30 meters each. So what is the perimeter of the triangle? Now it says that the base is of 25 meters. So what is the base of this triangle? Well, this triangle is standing on this base, isn't it? So this is the base side of the triangle, and that is 25 meters in length. Now the other two sides are 30 meters each. So 30 meters and 30 meters. So this is the triangle we have in front of us. Now we need to calculate the perimeter of this triangle. So what will be the perimeter of this triangle? We know perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C. So it will be 30 plus 30 plus 25. So it will be 85 meters. So the perimeter of this triangle is 85 meters, and we calculated it by the formula A plus B plus C. Now can you tell me the perimeter of this particular triangle? So one side is 7 centimeter, the other is 5, and the third is 10 centimeters. So what will be the perimeter of this triangle? What do you think? Well, let's see. So we know that perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C. So if we start from here, if we say this side is A, this is B and this is C, then we can add them, and what do we get? Well, it's 7 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, which is 12 centimeter, and 12 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, which is 22 centimeter. So what is the correct answer? It's 22 centimeter. So we simply added A plus B plus C and we calculated the perimeter of this triangle. So when we need to calculate perimeter of a triangle, we add the three sides. So the formula for perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C. Now this can be in any order. So you can write it as ABC, or you can write it as A, B, C. So whichever order you name them, the formula for perimeter will always be A plus B plus C.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.